Hi everyone, this is Jayant. In this video, I'll talk about a little bit about VS Code, how to set up Python extension, and I'll be running a small Python code. So this is how VS Studio Code looks like. I've already downloaded this from Visual Studio Code, and it installs like a normal app. The first thing you want to do here is to add extension. So, okay, in order to add any extension, you would always come to this button that you see. Okay, like I have added Codex, Claude, Cline, all of those extensions here. Similarly, I have added Python. In order to add Python, you need to search for Python. So once you search for Python, I installed the first one. This one from Microsoft, and this lets me actually run Python inside VS Code. So if you click here, I that there will here it would stay installed. So once that is installed, you'll see a button like this, and this will kind of help you to write your first. Once it's installed, you can create a new file and write a program. So let's start with our very first program. It's one of the very easiest program. I think from everybody would know from their first program they have written. I will be writing on the same lines. So let's create a new file here. In order to create a file, we need to name the file. Let's say uh, hello, hello, and we have to give the extension which is py for Python. Then you get and then you hit enter. Okay. Now the next thing that you need to do is write a code. For example, let's say I want to print. Sorry. Let's say I want to print. It's so easy now. You'll understand. It's so easy to write in Python. So one of the other good point about VS Studio is it understands your basic codes. So I was going to write hello print world, but it understands the basic functions, and it will tell you. For example, here it says print, and in parentheses, it's giving a hint, hello world. So whatever you write here is basically it gets printed. So it's very powerful in order to give you those small nuggets. So if you want to write something else, that's fine. Otherwise, what you could do, you could hit tab, and boom, you have your predefined template word in here. Okay, so once you do that, the next thing is you just need to hit run. Okay, so if Python is installed, this should run as hello world. So let's run this. Okay, so here in the terminal you can see hello world. Down in the terminal says so. That's my first bit of running code, and that's VS Code setup with my first program. In the next one, I'll start actually building something with this. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please let me know. Thank you.